My name is Rajat Saini.
All right. So we had a taste of grilling that happens at B school interviews. We saw a glimpse of pressure that students face in IIM interviews. So from unexpected extempore topics to coding on paper, from history questions to questions from the state you belong to. So I'm from Jaipur, so I've been asked the questions from Jaipur majorly, and the technical concepts in computer science were also asked. So these interviews had everything. So if you're preparing for IIM interviews, or just curious about the process, stick around this video till the end. And in the end of the video, I'll also share my learnings through this interviews. So yeah, let's dive in.
So yeah, I have my transcript open in front of me. So जितने भी interviews मैंने दिए उसके सभी के questions I wrote it down. And first we'll begin with IIM Rohtak interview. So IIM Rohtak's interview was offline. So you won't believe जितना वेट उन लोगों ने करवाया इतना इंटरव्यू चला भी नहीं. लाइक इंटरव्यू वॉज लाइक फॉर ओनली 10 to 12 minutes, बट स्टिल बहुत वेट करना पड़ता है वहाँ पे. बट अगेन यू हैव टू ट्रैवल टू IIM Rohtak for an offline interview or the centers which they have provided near your city. Okay, so now I walked into the room. I greeted the panelists. There were 2 panelists, both were male. I greeted them. I took a seat, and the first question which they threw at me was an extempore topic on ChatGPT. So they gave me 30 seconds to 1 minute to think about it and note down the thoughts or whatever I want to speak. So ChatGPT extempore topic was quite easy, and it was unexpected that they would ask such a easy topic. तो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, बट मैंने वो बता दिया दैट एक्सटेम्पर was fine. And then the most general questions which they ask in these type of interviews is tell me about yourself. तो मैंने पूरा अपने बारे में बताया. उनके पास रिज्यूमे था मेरा obviously. So I started with my schooling and my internships, my graduation and my work ex also. तो उसके बाद उन लोगों ने क्वेश्चन पूछा that you live in Jaipur, so name some world heritage sites in Jaipur or near Jaipur. तो वो क्वेश्चन मैंने आंसर किया, but I was only able to memorize like 3-4 names, not 3-4 also, 1 or 2 names I gave them. And then they moved towards my hobbies वाला part, जहाँ पे they asked me, do you binge watch web series? I was like, yeah, I do. And they asked me to recommend a series, right? So I told them at that time, because nothing came up into my mind, that was the recent series which I was watching. So I said The Walking Dead. So they were like, यार ऐसी कोई सीरीज सजेस्ट करो जो कि लाइक पहली बात तो उन लोगों ने पूछा कि उसमें होता क्या है. सो आई वाज लाइक इट्स ऑल अबाउट फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, और ज़ॉम्बी एपोकलिप्स हो जाता है, सो पीपल डाई बिकॉज ऑफ द वायरस. और तो दे वर लाइक कि वाई आर यू सजेस्टिंग दिस सीरीज टू अस, सजेस्ट अ सीरीज विच इज़ यूजफुल टू अस. और सो आई वाज लाइक तुम्हें इससे क्या सीखने को मिला. तो आई वाज लाइक आई सजेस्टेड अनदर सीरीज विच वॉज अराउंड एजुकेशन और ऐसा ही कुछ, वेयर लाइक काइंड ऑफ हॉस्टल डेज जैसा, जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट मस्ट नॉट प्रायोरिटाइज only studies, they should also have fun. Eventually everyone settles in their life. So they were like they pressurized me around the question कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है, we had a lot of activities, so we are only focusing on studies, or why are you recommending us this series, what are you trying to convey. So ऐसे उन लोगों ने मुझ पर प्रेशर डाला. So I was like, sir, it's just the series which I would like to recommend you because it also has a nostalgia part. You can connect to that because you might also have lived in a hostel with your friends or like that. You also had a college life. ऐसा कुछ बोल के कवर इट अप. एंड देन वाई MBA आफ्टर कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग, दिस वॉज लाइक ये क्वेश्चन तो आता ही आता है. देन आई एक्सप्लेन द ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम टेक टू बिजनेस, वो मैंने उनको पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया. सो देन दे आस्क्ड मी टू कोड समथिंग ऑन पेपर, दैट वॉज इफ एल्स लूप वाला कोई क्वेश्चन था, एंड आई स्टक इनटू दैट. कोडिंग किए हुए मुझे बहुत टाइम हो गया था, एंड दैट क्वेश्चन वॉज क्वाइट टेक्निकल. उसमें कौन सी लाइब्रेरीज यूज़ होती है वगैरह वगैरह वो भी उन्होंने पूछा. तो आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू आंसर दैट. But again, then they moved towards the next question, which is agile and waterfall model used in app development. उसका भी I was only able to answer for the agile वाला part and not the waterfall model. I was not sure about that. I was a bit confused, so I chose to not answer that. And then they asked about difference between HTTP and HTTPS. So ऐसे technical questions चलते रहे computer science के राउंड. And they asked about class and super class. So ये भी उन्होंने पूछा. Then I answered that these were some basic questions which I already knew. Then they came up to my mathematics because I'm an engineer. तो उन लोगों ने बोला कि are you good at math? So I played it safe. I said that I am decent at maths. So they asked me the difference between differentiation and integration, and I answered that, but I was a bit nervous in that answer. I was not pretty much sure. So in an offline interview, there is also a environment which is created, the pressure that you feel around yourself, because there are two panelists and one of them is giving expressions. So you feel that you might be giving wrong answer, so you hesitate a bit, right? So उसके बाद they asked me to draw a graph of x to the power x, which I did. वो मुझे आता था, वो मैंने कर दिया. And after grilling all like through the whole interview, and they again asked that why I am Rohtak. तो ये एक बहुत ही मतलब इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो सबको आई गेस प्रिपेयर करके जाना चाहिए. लाइक फॉर द लाइक कोई पर्टिकुलर अगर एक सिंगल कॉलेज है जैसे आई एम रोहतक है, तो उसका आपको आंसर प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा कि वाई आई एम रोहतक. यू हैव टू रिसर्च अ बिट अबाउट द कॉलेज, अबाउट द प्रोफेसर्स, अबाउट द कोर्सेज विच दे प्रोवाइड, और ऐसा कुछ सब्सटेंशियल तुम बोलना पड़ेगा जिससे दे वुड बी इम्प्रेस्ड, राइट. तो मैंने भी थोड़ा बहुत रिसर्च किया था. मैंने वो बोल दिया दीज कोर्सेज आर देयर, दीज प्रोफेसर्स आर देयर, एंड द लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस हियर इज गुड. Obviously all these things you have to manage. So yeah, this was all about my Rohtak interview. The thing is, I was not that much confident in an offline interview as this was my first interview. पहला IIM का interview था मेरा. So maybe that might also be a reason, but it went pretty okay. I would not say it was good because they grilled along the whole interview process. So yeah, that was it for this interview. So yeah, moving towards my. So after this interview, I got to know that there would be too many questions on ACADS. There might be, right? I was not pretty much sure, but I'm from an engineering background and I don't have too much of work ex. So this is only one thing in which they can grill me, right? So guys, those who have less amount of work ex, just focus on your academics and general knowledge. That's it. Okay, so moving forward towards my CAP IIM interview, the interview started with the usual generic question which they ask, tell me about yourself. There was no extempore topic for me in this interview, but they started with tell me about yourself, and I just told the answer which I prepared. So you have to actually prepare this answer, right? That what points you have to speak, because they will use that as a hook and they'll ask questions around that. So you have to be prepared. तो उन लोगों ने पूछा अपने बारे में बताओ, मैंने बता दिया. And then again, from my previous experience, I learned that academics के question आने वाले हैं. So this interview started with a CADS question. So what is the difference between string and array? I explained that the programming languages which I used in my graduation, which is C, C++, Java, और वेब डेवलपमेंट का भी थोड़ा सा मैंने पार्ट मेरे रेज्यूमे में डाला था, तो वो भी उन लोगों ने पूछा मुझसे. So they asked the difference between C, C++ and Java and which is the preferred language which you would use. तो वो भी मैंने आंसर कर दिया. And then after all these technical questions, वो थोड़े easy questions पे आ गए around GK. They asked me about the chairman of Alibaba, the founder of Amazon, and other 2-3 personalities which I don't remember exactly, but मैंने 2-3 अच्छे से बता दिया, and for the rest of them I was blank. तो उसके बाद like his turn was done. Then second panelist took over and she asked me regarding Jaipur और थोड़े से tough question पूछे. The first question was quite easy, that do you know about the stadium in Jaipur? It is SMS Stadium. It was built by Savai Man Singh ji, who was the king of Jaipur. So all these questions she asked, and then she asked about why is Jawahar Circle named so? What is the significance of that circle? So I was not aware of that, so I chose to not answer that question. I didn't even guess because मुझे कोई idea नहीं था कि वो उसका क्या आंसर करना है. And apart from that, she moved towards Hawa Mahal. Who was the architect of Hawa Mahal and why was it built so? So I knew the answer for the second question कि Hawa Mahal को ऐसा क्यों बनाया गया. Why there were so many windows so that queens can watch out of the window towards the street, that what is happening in the street. But the common people who are on the streets cannot like वो नहीं देख सकते queens को, इसलिए बहुत छोटी छोटी windows थी वहाँ पे बहुत सारी. तो and it is built at the back side of City Palace. तो मुझे ये रीजनिंग पता थी कि हवा महल क्यों ऐसे बनाया है, बट आई डिडंट नो द आर्किटेक्ट्स नेम. तो मैंने वो बोल दिया उनको कि आई डोंट नो अबाउट दिस. अगेन देन शी फाइनली आस्क्ड मी अबाउट माई इंटर्नशिप्स, जिसमें मैं बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग था. इंटर्नशिप पे मुझे कुछ भी क्वेश्चन आता आई कैन गिव द आंसर. 2 इंटर्नशिप्स की थी मैंने. सो शी आस्क्ड अबाउट बोथ द इंटर्नशिप्स, दैट हु वाज द फाउंडर, व्हाट वाज द कंपनी डूइंग, एंड व्हाट वाज योर रोल, फॉर हाउ मच टाइम डिड यू परस्यू दैट इंटर्नशिप, एंड वाज इट ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन, व्हाट डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम दैट. तो मैंने दोनों ही आंसर कर दिए. एंड मतलब ये सब पूछने के बाद शी वॉज क्लियर कि ही इज़ थॉरो अबाउट दी इंटर्नशिप्स विच ही डिड, क्या क्या लर्निंग्स थी और क्या क्या टेक भी यूज़ हुआ इंटर्नशिप्स में, वो भी सब मैंने बता दिया था। कौन कौन क्लाइंट्स थे हमारे, यूज़ केसेस क्या थे कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट्स के। सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स वर क्लियर फ्रॉम माई पार्ट, फ्रॉम माई एंड। एंड बस मेरा कैप इंटरव्यू हो गया था, इतना ख़त्म, इट वॉज ओवर। आई ऑल्सो थॉट कि यार ये तो बहुत ही शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू था, मतलब इतना शॉर्ट तो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था। बट मैंने बहुत वेट किया था, सुबह से शाम तक मैंने वेट किया था, मेरा नंबर बहुत लेट आया था। देयर वर सो मैनी स्टूडेंट्स। कैप इंटरव्यू में तो होते ही बहुत सारे बच्चे, यू नो, एक ही बार इंटरव्यू होता है 8 IIMs के लिए, सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन लाइन। तो बहुत ही शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू हुआ, बट इट डजंट मीन दैट दे वर नॉट एबल टू जज यू, राइट। सो जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट, और एक एरिया ऐसा होना चाहिए जो तुम्हारा बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए। जैसे मेरा इंटर्नशिप्स वाला पार्ट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग था, एकेडमिक्स काइंड ऑफ वीक थी क्योंकि वो एकदम टेक्निकल टर्म्स पढ़े हुए बहुत टाइम हो गया था, एंड जीके भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए। एंड जस्ट नो अबाउट योर स्टेट एंड सिटी थ्रू आउट, नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट द फेमस पर्सनैलिटीज़ like who are into the news very frequently, and बस यही सब था। So at the end the learnings from both of my interviews were, see, although I was not able to convert all these 9 IIMs, I was in a wait list for a very long time, right. So I didn't, I was not quite optimistic to convert these interviews, right. So but there were quite a few learnings which I would like to share, because at the end I converted an IIM. From these learnings only I learned, and I aced in that interview, in my last interview. So you have to always be ready for the core academic questions, general knowledge questions, know your city and state inside out. Internships and work experience can save you. My work experience was very less, मतलब I was shocked कि किसी ने मेरे work experience पे कुछ नहीं पूछा, right, because it was not for a very long duration, तो फिर उन्होंने ध्यान भी नहीं दिया होगा, I don't know why. So, and short interviews can still be challenging, so don't take it for granted, right. And it's okay to not know everything, just say no. And you have to be, if you talk about the soft skills, you have to be clear and confident on your communication part, maintain composure under pressure, right. Engage with the panelist, make eye contact, be confident. Storytelling for work experience, you should have the story in your mind regarding if you're switching your career, you should have a story around that why you are doing so, right. So you should have, the overall agenda of interview is to check your confidence, right, and how much are you willing to get into an IIM to do an MBA, how much are you interested. Just show them, right, just sell your pitch to them so that they can be convinced from your answers. That's all I can remember from my interview experience, and that's all I can share. These were my learnings. Just make sure you go through all these questions and build more questions around this so that you can be more prepared, be more confident, and that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching this, and in the next video I would let you know about the IIM which I converted and how its interview went, and I will share others' experience as well. So be ready and keep watching. Thank you.